Now guys, in that video today, I want to talk to you about something I realized while I was on vacation in Jamaica. Now, I was at this resort for about 7 days, and as a result of that, I get to talk to a lot of different people, from the kitchen staff, from the front desk, from housekeeping, I rap with them and them talk to me, and when we talk about Jamaica versus foreign, or if they might take the opportunity to come a foreign, what they might do if them come a foreign, and just figure out what in them head or how they might think, or the reason why they might leave Jamaica and come to the US or Canada or England. Now, one of the guys did do a small interview with me, and as a result of that, I really want to leave out the name of the hotel in order to protect him job, because personally speaking, I don't know what is their social media policy, so I don't want to get the guy in a trouble because I go call him name and the video go back, and I don't want him lose him job. But again, I'm going to run the video so you can see the interview and we can scrub through it and see what we can find. But let me just also say that forgive me for the audio because I never have the right tools. It was a windy day and the kitchen staff there make a little bit of noise, so it's not the best quality, but we could definitely dig through it and see what we can find. Alright, so again guys, this one is going to be a good one. See you on the other side. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Check Yourself JA. My name is Andre, and as usual, if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing, and while you're at it, just go ahead, smash that like button for me. I would really appreciate it. Also, remember to hit that post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now guys, without further delay, let's jump into it.
What's your name? Jamaicans. Alright, so my name is Andre. I'm basically, I just want to talk to you a little bit about how long you've been working here and just some little stuff that I kind of want to bring to your knowledge based on the fact that I live in the US and you're here. Good? So let me ask you, when it comes to living here, you're finding it difficult living here, or is it a case where if you get an opportunity, you'll move to the US?
If I got the opportunity, I would
Definitely move to the US. Why?
because minimum wage in Jamaica for the week is $100, right? And living expenses is way beyond.
Way beyond 100 years.
So you have to be doing a lot of things on the side to keep your money. So given the opportunity, definitely.
Alright. So you have families in the US?
Yeah, I have 2 uncles, cousins.
You communicate with them? You talk to them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now again, before me even jump into anything, me always a big up the content creator, but in this case, big up to Javon. Now, Javon wasn't the only person I talked to. I talked to people from front desk, I talked to people from water sport, I talked to people from housekeeping, and it's the same story. Same story, guys. It always starts off with, yes, I would have taken the opportunity to come to the US. Same story. I've seen this a million times. And after that is, yes, them have family in the US. So either them are come up to auntie, niece, nephew, cousin, or them are come up to them spouse. Same situation every single time. Now, let me also add to it that Javon did say minimum wage is 100 US. So I'm assuming it's weekly. I'm assuming. Now, he did also say that 100 US is just not enough. And again, typical story. Me hear it already. So, me could go ahead, dive a little deeper, and see what I'm have to say.
Alright, so the real question now is, if given an opportunity you move to the US, what would you do in the US as a
Okay, so since I work at the hotel, past few years I made a couple friends who also live in the United States. And me and my cousins write songs, he makes beats, I used to play sports, so I also have very athletic skills. And I have a few cousins over there have small businesses. Because even to start from here and then work my way up to something like that.
It's easy. Oh, okay. Alright, so this is one of the things where you normally tell Jamaicans. If you're living in Jamaica and you want to move to the US, there are certain things that a lot of people don't take into consideration, and they don't take what would it take to move to the US in terms of how you would bring in an income, what type of work you will do, and if that job will be able to pay your bills. It's like what you say, here in Jamaica minimum wage is 100 US and you live beyond that. Now when you get to the US, will that job be able to pay you enough in order to live in that particular state? And that's why a lot of people don't do it. That's why there's a big gap.
This is where the breakdown starts. And I've said this many times in different videos that The problem start from Jamaica because we don't know where we come do. Him actually think say him can come here, come play football, be a songwriter, or be an artist. And again, me not say it's impossible. It is possible. But the chances of that happening is slim. Guys, the man never yet once say him go use the skills him acquire at the hotel and transfer it here. No, him can start from as simple as Red Lobster or even IHOP and work him way right up to one of the top restaurants in Manhattan. High paid guys. Very well paid guys. But him not see that. Him just focus on the football, writing songs, being an artist. And him not alone, because when I ask some of the guys from housekeeping or from water sport, the same thing them tell me. None of what them tell me that them not come here come do, them not gonna make it here. And again, guys, this is where I always compare Americans coming to Jamaica for work and Jamaicans coming to America to work. Listen to this. When an American come to Jamaica for come work or for come live, believe me when me tell you, them know everything. Believe me, them know how much I'm gonna get paid, where them come down to come do, where them gonna work, which was the closest bus stop there, where them kids are gonna go to school, how them kids are gonna get to and from school, how them are gonna get to and from work, and the list goes on and on and on. When you ask Jamaica one simple question, as in where come do, them lost. But me could continue to dive and see what we can get.
Let me ask you, you drive a car? How you get to work? Public transportation. You feel comfortable taking public transportation in the US? No problem. You said that no. You said that no.
If I have to ride a bicycle,
You'll ride it? No problem.
Him not riding a bicycle.
And that is what a lot of people need to hear. If you could just live the simple life that you're living here, when you get to the US, you'll be fine. You'll definitely be fine. But let me ask you again. So when it comes to debt, you would say you owe a lot of debt, like credit card debt, debt on anything that you own. No debt. So you're debt free. Listen, that's a good talk. Because when it comes to the US,
debt. No, you see, guys, and this is one of the same thing when we say in my videos. This whole debt thing we come get ourselves in a debt. It's not because we know that from Jamaica. That was never us. This whole buy this, buy that, buy this one credit card, buy that one. We're not used to that. Next thing with the guy say, him say take public transportation. Now the man proudly say him take public transportation in a Jamaica. But something happened to when we land in America. Well, all of a sudden, bus no good enough to take again. And at them are the small things, and at them are the things we for bridge between who we were in Jamaica and who we become when we come a foreign. Because clearly, him no in another debt. Him no man taking public transportation. Him don't even mind riding a bicycle. You can't even get you can't even get a Jamaican up to ride a bicycle. Not even for exercise, much less to take that guy work. And if you tell them say, lay low, stay out of consumer debt. You don't need to be my yet. You can do cost sharing. You can get a roommate. Are the worst thing you gotta tell them. Are the worst thing. Because first of all, them gonna tell you, listen, me work hard, me deserve it. The same Javon, where you say yes or no, come a foreign, I gonna be a different Javon. And me tell him, me say, Javon, I one or two things that happen. If you come a foreign and stay the same way you is now, you will find 6 to 7 years, you're on top, you dip on your foot. But if you come here and you do what the average person do, you want the nice car, you want the high party, you want multiple women, you want travel bandung, you want send things to Jamaica all the while. Once you start do that, what everybody I do, you're gonna find it tough. Now, guys, me clearly are showing the difference between when we did that Jamaica and what happened when we come here.
Right now, you're in a good place. Zero debt, you have kids. Even better.
See?
Zero debt, you're young, talented, your work ethic's good, because I see you working. And also, the mere fact that you want to take an opportunity. You're in a good place. You're in a very, very, very good place.
So you see, me try to show you guys. As a matter of fact, me show you the situation before it even happened. Me show you who we are before we even come here. Me show you how we stay, how we talk once we're not there. And now, the same Javon, I gonna be the same person 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years down the line. Not judge him. But it's possible. This is the same Javon. We're gonna make a video say America tough. This is the same Javon. We're gonna make a video say up here no good. Or this is the same Javon. We're gonna say bills, debt. When in truth and in fact, he was never like that. Him come here and him just fall for the system. The system will say, hey, You want a car? Take out a car, man. All you have to do is just show $200 a week. Go on, man. And you just pay your feet over a 6-year period. Him no say nothing wrong with that. Him want drive a Beamer, never drive a Beamer before. Him go take it. So let me just say big up to Javan and big up to the members and staff at the resort. And big up to everybody in the water sport, big up to everybody in the kitchen, big up to all of the front desk staff. Just big up to everybody. But me definitely gonna say this. Guys, that is how we were before we come here. That is exactly how we were before we come here. We're willing to try and do whatever it takes to make it. We want to move away from something because we think it's hard. No opportunity in the day, and we want to move away from that. The first thing you ask yourself, what skills you actually possess when you're at Jamaica? What you can actually do before you actually come here? And if you don't have no skills really, plan to you come here, come work, but you have to lay low because the odds are already against you. The odds are against you because you not come here with no high paid skills. So definitely when you know say you left Jamaica, the odds are against you. So you have to just plan and say, okay, you know me, if I put in more work than the average person because my earning potential is lower than the average person or less than the average person. Just come to grips with yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and just tell yourself that. Now, next thing you have to learn is to lay low. You can't depend every scene. You can't do every party. You can't in every name brand. Them things, they take your money from you. You have to learn to just lay low. Next thing we talk about, him say, I'm willing to take public transportation. I mean, know enough people never own a car before them come to America. Never own a car. As a matter of fact, him ride bicycle. But when you see them here, it's like they can't do it without a car. Right now, me know somebody where them car a thief from them. I mean, I have to say them car a thief from them because this person will pay $1,200 a month for car payments. Not including insurance, not included fuel, not included maintenance, not included toll. And this is somebody we never used to drive when them there at Jamaica. Just imagine that. Now, once again, guys, we have come to the end of another video. Now, if you found value in this video, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share. Or better yet, if you know someone that might find value in this video, please go ahead and share. And again, guys, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.